This is the Master POS Inventory Orders Procedure. This program allows you to issue and receive supplier orders and reorders that you will create based upon your inventory usage. Let's review the main screen first. Display options. As you accumulate orders, you may quickly find orders by choosing orders with a particular status or from a certain supplier or that you have sent to a particular location. You can also add a date filter as well. As an example, I might only want to view orders that are in transit or at shipment from this vendor and are being sent to my Miami location. Now I only see these orders. Orders may have a status of open, which indicates it has not been sent to the supplier. If you see the truck symbol, that indicates it has been sent to the supplier. The green check means the order has been received and is complete. Let's create a new order now. I click on New Order. The first screen I see is Add New Order that prompts for what supplier I am purchasing from and what location I want to ship it to. Here I will select the vendor and ship to the Miami location. I could also ship to one of my storage locations and then create transfers to each of my stores. I will click Add New Order. In the shipping information box, I will complete the information that I currently know, such as the billing and shipping address I want to use. I can go back afterwards and fill in any information I don't currently know. To the right, I can add any comments to the order that I need someone to know. Now we will add the products. Since we selected a particular supplier, only those supplier products will appear. Displayed are the product name and SKU, the cost, and the units per case. The current quantity is displayed as a percentage of your current inventory. When we place the mouse on the green bar, we see the in-stock quantity along with the min and max quantities. Since we have 80 in stock and 250 is the max, the 32% calculation represents the amount of inventory we have as a percentage of our max inventory level. It is easier to quickly see what items need ordering when it is displayed in this fashion. The shortage column calculates how many are needed to order to increase the inventory to the max level. The plus button adds the item to the order. When I find an item I want to order, I click the plus button and the shortage quantity is added to the order on the right side of the screen. You can adjust that as needed. Any product that uses a matrix for a variation of a main product such as color or size, etc., are displayed as well, and you can simply choose which ones to order. Here I will order some necklaces in 4 colors. I will also adjust the quantities as well. In the add-ons box, I can add any additional items that are not inventory items, such as shopping bags or displays, or some examples of these items. In the summary section, I can add any shipping charges or discounts that the vendor offers. If I need to come back later and finish the order, I can click Save. If I click Send Order, it places the order status as in transit. It can still be modified if needed. Since I am done with the order, I will click Send Order. When you are returned to the main order screen, you can see the order there with the truck icon, which means it is in transit. At this point, there are 6 options for the order. I can go back and edit the order. I can view the order and print it. It will create a document that you could use internally as a purchase order, or you could send to your supplier. Here you can see what the format of the order would look like when you want to print it. You can delete the order. You can also export the products to a CSV file where you can manipulate them in an Excel spreadsheet. You can also print a quick list of the items on the order when you click Print Products. Once the order has been shipped to you, you can click Accept and receive the order into inventory. Let's do that now. This screen shows you the products on the order. If the product order differs from the quantity you received, you can make that change here. When done, you can add any shipping charges or any comments to the order. When you are ready to receive the order, click Complete. The products are now added to the inventory in that specific location. This concludes the inventory order procedure. Customer support is available by calling 855-578-6767.